Hey everyone, it's Kino here. Welcome to this Yoga for Relaxation and Stress Relief class. Come to a comfortable seated position, close your eyes. As you exhale, rest your hands down to any comfortable position. Be aware of the quality of your mind and your emotions. Notice how you're feeling and what the quality of your thought is to begin our journey together. Be aware of your breath and be aware of the quality, a sensation in the body. Beginning with a few moments of mindfulness to drop your attention deeper inward. Find the stillness within. Then a nice long deep inhale. And as you exhale, softly open the eyes. And let's lean over to the side. Inhale, long deep breath in. Exhale, just easy, kind of pop over to the side. Drape the left arm and really reach it over. Long, steady reach. And inhale, come on back into the center. Try the other side. Exhale as you lean over, and then inhale, reach. Let's keep it nice and easy as you really reach gently over. And inhale, come on back into the center. Shake out the spine. Move over onto your hands and knees. Staying here on the hands and knees for a moment, we get the tabletop position. Start to really feel the connection between breath and body. Hands gently on the ground. Let's roll through cat and cow. Inhale, extending the spine. Exhale, round. Inhale, extend, deep breath in. Exhale, round and under. One more long, deep breath in. And exhale, round and under. Back to neutral for a moment. Walking the feet just a little bit out. Now we'll go for puppy pose. Walking your hands gently forward. Exhale as you reach your forehead towards the ground. Coming gently up on the fingertips to release through the spine. 5 deep breaths. Long deep breath in. Long deep breath out. Start to really just dial your nervous system down. Lessen your reactivity so you can really just remain calm no matter what happens. Taking these moments to drop under your thoughts to a place of deeper peace. Slowly prepare to come on up, walking the hands gently up. You can open the knees a little bit and lean back. I've got this bolster handy right over here. If you don't have a bolster, you can use any kind of pillow that you have at home. And we're gonna just do a nice wide child's pose, relaxing body weight over the bolster. Exhale, slowly relax gently down. We'll just stay for a few breaths. Bringing your mind into a deep, harmonious space, tapping into the awareness that all is well. No matter what problems you may feel are present in your life, there's this moment right here, right now, where peace, or a pathway towards more peace, is available. You can say to yourself, no matter what's happening, no matter what conflict there is in my life, in this moment, I choose peace. Peace with myself, peace with all that is. And your muscles relax as you drop the war. Your body moves into a space of deep healing. where there's no more resistance, and you can feel a deep space of surrender, a feeling that all is well. You might find that if you tune into your heart space, you can say the words, I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. And then gently, let's lift the head up and walk your hands a little bit back so you can come up. You can push the bolster a little bit forward. Cross your feet gently underneath you, and then we'll open the feet a little bit out. And this depends on, how wide you want to open your feet. You can do really wide or just kind of like a light V shape. I'm going to go for kind of a light V shape today and not a straddle position. Pull the bolster in, then inhale, long deep breath in, and exhale, fold. So this is more the position of Upavishta Konasana and less of the straddle position. So you can feel a little bit of the breath. It's two different asanas. The Upavishta Konasana allows more of a V shape with the legs, whereas Samakhanasana is more of a straddle position. So now just gently relax forward. And you might even find that it's comfortable to drape your head, your chin, your head over to the side. Hands rest. Or you might find it's more comfortable on the bolster. And just try to relax your back muscles. You can really feel the spaciousness around your back. You can really feel just the blessing of this moment, away from all the repetitive thoughts, the calm, quiet space of this moment. Give yourself this luxury to unwind, to let all the tension in the body just gently release. A pathway to peace in every breath. A space of deep trust between you and the universe. You might even say to yourself, I am supported by the universe. There is a power that is greater and grander than I am. And that power is working for my benefit in every moment. And the more I trust the intelligence of source energy, the more I trust the intelligence and the beneficence of divinity, the more I can release, relax, and open. And then allow yourself a nice long deep breath in. Let's prepare to gently come up. Let's move the bolster on over to the side. Hug the knees into the chest so you can kind of curl the knees gently in. You might want to scoot a little forward. Hold the opposite knees and just give yourself a nice deep squeeze. Rolling a little from one side to another. Allowing all of your energy to just cycle more and more down. More and more down. Nice and easy. Long, steady breath. Soften and release. And walking your feet behind you, you can cross them gently under. And then walk forward back to your hands and knees. We're going to inhale up to downward facing dog now. So let's curl the toes under and inhale up to downward facing dog. Just take a few moments in down dog. Roll your neck from side to side. Give the knees a little bend. Release. Swaying a little bit from side to side just to help coax your mind into a state of relaxation and ease. Then switching the gaze forward, let's come forward to Pigeon Pose. Glide the knee forward, closing the knee joint and stabilizing yourself in pigeon. If the knee joint feels good, you can lean a little over to one side and open the shin bone so the shin bone glides a little forward. And then gently squaring forward, you can grab that bolster back in front of you or placing the block underneath if that feels good as well. And then exhale, let's just gently kind of glide a little bit down. Stay for a few breaths as you really tune into a quiet place within, maybe draping the hands down. Or maybe you find that after you relax for a little bit, you don't need the bolster and you can just rest all the way down. Stay for a few breaths here, letting the spine relax, the body relax. Feel the breath, the body, and the mind dropping into a deeper space of harmony and release. Making peace with all that is within you, all that is within the whole world. Finding a place of both compassion and understanding for yourself and really for all beings. And let's gently lift the head up. We're going to walk the hands back. And inhale, let's step back to your tabletop position. Extend the spine for a moment. Curl your toes under and back to downward facing. From downward facing, let's slide it on forward again, starting off in that closed knee pigeon. If it feels good, you're going to lean over to the side, open, squaring your pelvis a little bit forward, grabbing the bolster and lining that up if it feels right for you. Otherwise, you can rest your elbows gently down, sliding a little bit back with the pelvis, and then exhale, just settle down. Let the body really release, soften, dropping your attention more and more in, keeping your awareness quiet, letting the mind really cycle more and more down. Allow yourself to open and release. Feel the support of the earth underneath you, the harmony underneath you. Nice and easy, steady breath. After a few moments of deep peace and quiet, slowly inhale as you rise gently up, walking slightly back up. Let's curl your right toes under, stepping that right knee in, and gently back. Inhale as you extend the spine, long deep breath in. Exhale, round. Walking your feet in, let's cross. And gently roll your spine down. Give it a nice, easy roll. Take a few moments. First, constructed rest position. Close the eyes. Feel your body just coming into alignment with all that is. And gently stretch the arms and legs. Take rest. Take rest. Take rest. And allow yourself a deep breath in as you reawaken the body. Bending the knees and the elbows, a little squeeze. Say thanks to your body for onto the side. And come on back up to a comfortable seated position. Feel your heart center, alive and vibrant, filled with love, good vibrations. And then hands come into prayer position. Long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. May you be happy, may you be peaceful, may you be filled with love. Namaste.